In this lesson, we will learn about variables and data types in programming. Variables are used to store information in computer memory. Data types define what kind of values can be stored inside those variables. For example, an integer stores whole numbers, a float stores decimal numbers, a character stores a single symbol, and a Boolean stores true or false values. Choosing the correct data type helps programs work efficiently and reduces errors. Let's explore each data type in detail. A variable is a named memory location used to store data. Programs use variables because values can change while the program is running. For example, age can store the value 15, and price can store the value 10.5. Think of variables like labeled boxes in memory. Each box has a name and stores a specific value. This makes programs easier to manage and understand. Every variable is stored in a different memory location inside the computer. The variable name helps programmers access the stored value quickly. For example, the variable age stores an integer value, while price stores a decimal value. Even though users only see variable names, the computer actually stores the data in memory addresses behind the scenes. Variables make it easier for programmers to work with data without worrying about exact memory locations. The integer data type stores whole numbers. Integers do not contain decimal points. Examples include values such as 15, 100, and 8. Integers are commonly used for counting items, storing scores, ages, and quantities. If a value contains decimals, it cannot be stored as an integer. In that case, we use a float or real data type instead. The float or real data type stores decimal numbers. These values can contain fractions or decimal points. Examples include 10.5 and 175.6. Float values are useful when accuracy is needed for measurements, prices, or averages. Unlike integers, float data types can represent both whole and decimal values.